How to delete certificates from your LinkedIn profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open LinkedIn and further tap on your profile from the left side toolbar. Now, in here, scroll through and navigate to the certificate that you want to delete. Further, you will see the edit option there. Tap on that and then tap on the edit option again. You will then see the option for delete license or certification at the bottom in the pop-up. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this, your certificate from your LinkedIn profile will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete certificates from your LinkedIn profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.